Hey guys, we received this Harperton nail clipper set for test and try. So they are ultra sharp, sturdy, stainless steel fingernail and toenail clipper cutters with a nail file. This is the silver color. So let me just open this. First impression, nice heavy duty quality as I can feel it here. The pure stainless steel. And so the really nice metal look works fine on the side. And there's a ergonomical design as well. So easy to use and handle. High quality stainless steel as I can feel. This is the file, so let me just remove this protective layer thing. So this is the file, so you can cut the nails and file on the one way. So you can just cut with a curved nail thing, as you can see, and easily alongside the nail. So this is the big nail cutter that I'm using right now. And with the file thing, you can just file it and you can see like it make it smoother. So the file is also nice. It's not like just you will remove on its own. And this give a really round cut or the way you want to cut of the desired length and thing. So you can also easy to clean as well, or you can rub it with the alcohol or something. And the same thing with the small one for the small nails or the small fingers can be used by anyone. And yeah, you can see like how this is thing and the file thing also the same. So you can also use with the curved edges and built-in file for every nice cut nails, and then can be used by anyone, complete the whole nail cut stuff. So basically, a really nice nail clippers with the two sets, small and the big, and the file inside, stainless steel, really nice and washable. Comes with this zipper pouch as well, so you can just put it in here for storage, like a clip set. So very nice nail clipper set.